Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, you need to find and access Moto app. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner of it and click on Personalize. But you can also just skip Moto app completely and hold your device's display. Then select Personalize over here and tap on Fonts. After that, click on the best one for you. I will go with this one and save it by choosing this check mark at the bottom right corner. So now when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!